Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that promises to elevate your aerial game. A 4K HD dual camera GPS drone featuring visual obstacle avoidance. Right out of the bag, this black drone has a substantial feel, measuring in at about 11.41 inches square when unfolded, and it looks ready for action. One of the first things that truly stands out is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This is a fantastic feature, especially for pilots still building confidence or flying in environments with potential hazards. It adds a significant layer of safety, helping to prevent unexpected bumps and crashes, giving you more peace of mind while you focus on getting the perfect shot. Speaking of shots, this drone is equipped with dual 4K HD cameras. While the video capture resolution is listed at 1080p, the quality delivered by these cameras is impressive, capturing crisp details and vibrant colors, perfect for stunning aerial photography and videography. The effective still resolution is a solid 12 megapixels, allowing for high-quality photos. Having dual cameras also opens up creative possibilities for different perspectives. Flight stability is crucial, and this drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. This combination ensures rock-steady hovering, whether you're indoors or out, and provides accurate flight control, making it easier to maneuver and frame your shots precisely. For those looking to explore further, the drone boasts a long-distance control range and HD image transmission up to 1,200 meters. This means you can send the drone quite a distance while still maintaining a clear, live feed of what the camera sees, which is essential for serious aerial work. Powering the flight is a modular smart battery. The description mentions an average flight time of around 18 minutes per battery. Modular batteries are great because they're easy to swap out if you have spares, extending your total flying time significantly. The drone also features a brushless motor, which contributes to quieter operation and generally offers better durability and performance compared to brush motors. This drone is positioned as beginner-friendly, which is great, but also packs features like GPS, obstacle avoidance, and high-quality cameras that appeal to more seasoned pilots. It's app-controlled, as you'd expect, putting all the flight and camera controls right at your fingertips. Overall, this 4K HD dual-camera GPS drone with visual obstacle avoidance seems like a versatile and capable machine. It combines important safety features with strong imaging capabilities and stable flight performance, making it a compelling option for anyone looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage without breaking the bank. It feels like a drone that can truly help you push the boundaries of your aerial creativity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.